Hi, this is Automatic Addison. I'm here at the Automate conference, and my just summary, if I had to sum up this whole conference, I think it's a very good conference. I think if it's the first time that you've ever been to a robotics conference, it is very eye-opening and very, very interesting. I think you'll see a lot of different technologies and different use cases that you probably never have seen. But for someone like me who's been to a lot of robotics conferences and shows, and I go to CES every year, to be really honest, I didn't see any totally new, novel technologies. And you'll see a lot of old technologies that are used in new ways. So old technologies used in new ways. But outside of maybe the humanoid applications and perception, nothing totally new. So I think Automate's probably a good conference to come to once every couple of years just to see what's new, but from year to year there's not that much variation, but it's an all in all good conference. I actually liked it better than CES from a robotics perspective because it's much more directed, much more specific to robotics. I think CES is just huge out in Vegas. I went to it in January, but Automate is much more focused. So I think if you're into robotics, particularly applications in an industrial automotive sector, B2B, which is, to be honest, that's like the majority of where the money is in robotics right now. Very good conference to come to and recommend it. Next year it's going to be June, I think the dates are June, yeah, I see it, June 22nd through 25th in Chicago, Illinois. And then the next year it's probably going to be in Detroit. It goes back and forth between Detroit and Chicago. So I am signing off from you at Automate. Keep building.
Automatic Addison.